Hi, in this video, I'm going to show to you how you can create an in-product study through Hubble. So get started by clicking on the New Study button, enter a study name, select the in-product model as an option, click on Continue. And then before you get started on this building experience, you're going to have to install our SDK to be able to integrate your product with our builder. We're going to have a separate set of instructions on how to do that, but let me use Airbnb as an example here. So enter the link for your website. After you do that, you're going to see a rendering of your website or your web app here. And then you're going to be able to select the screen where you want to trigger your study. One feature that is very unique to Hubble is that instead of just having a general modal pop up, you're going to be able to do CSS element selection through this builder. So let's say you want very specific feedback on the search experience and your Airbnb's product manager or designer. You're able to click that search bar and create a feedback modal that specifically highlights the search bar for your testers, like that. So when you click on this, you're going to be able to see that your testers will get this popover that lets them opt into the study. And then you can click on this edit button to add more content to it. So obviously you're going to have a starting cover screen, but let me add a couple more questions here. Let's ask our testers about their occupation, make it a multi-answer choice. And then also let's ask how they feel about this new search experience. And then we can have an emoji selection here. And you're going to be able to have a preview of how this looks in a mobile setting on the right here. And then also another cool thing that you can do is you can actually recruit participants to prototype test through this in-product studies. So I'm going to connect the modal with an existing full screen prototype so that users can click on this I'm ready button and get redirected to it. So let me show you actually how this looks. Now everything is set up. You should be able to save it and then go back to your original screen. So now you're going to be able to see a full preview of the revised modal. And then as you click through it, you're going to be able to see all the questions that you added. And as I mentioned, when the tester clicks on this I'm ready button on the popover, they're going to be able to open a full screen that has a full prototype that you want to test with your testers. All right, now let me show you how you can create user groups, or you can target studies to be shown to specific user groups. So here there's a pre-loaded list of user groups, and we're going to offer different sets of integrations for you to be able to build this. Segment, amplitude, basically any platform that has user data that lets you create cohorts and user groups, we're going to be able to integrate with so that you can leverage that to target specific users. So in this case, I'm going to target power user group and active user group. And then the last thing I wanted to show you is you can actually control how many times a user sees a study, and also set up how long a user would have to wait until a new study shows to them. So instead of just rendering these sorts of popovers to everyone all the time, you can control the frequency and make the experience much smoother and less disruptive for all of your users. Cool, now you should be all set. So let me click on the publish button. Once you click on the publish button, you'll be able to have this modal, click on publish, and you should be all set. And as with all other studies within Hubble, you're going to be able to click on the cards and see all the live results that are kicking in from your users so that you can share it with any stakeholder and monitor their results in a real-time basis. So thank you so much for watching. We really look forward to having you as part of our early beta program so that you can start using these cool features that we prepare for product teams. And if you have any questions, please reach out to brian@hubble.team or hello@hubble.team. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to having you as a customer. Thank you.